This video I will explain the safest way to use Google Pay every day. Google Pay is a digital payment app that helps you to send money, receive money, and make purchases. To stay safe while using it daily, you need to follow a few simple habits. These steps protect your money, your bank account, and your UPI information. You have to use a strong UPI PIN. Your UPI PIN is a number that you enter to approve payments. The PIN must be private, strong, and not shared with anyone. A strong UPI PIN means it should not be easy to guess. Avoid using your birth year or repeated numbers. Never tell your UPI PIN to anyone, even if they say they are from a bank or Google Pay. Your UPI PIN is the most important safety layer. You only send money to correct and verified numbers. Before sending money, always check the name that appears after you enter mobile number or UPI ID. Google Pay shows the receiver name for confirmation. If the name looks unfamiliar or suspicious, do not send money. This stops you from sending money to the wrong person or a fake account. You have to use a request money feature carefully. The request money feature is safe only when you use it with people you know. Never approve a collect request from strangers. If someone asks you to approve a request to receive money from them, then it is a scam. You have to remember to receive money, you never have to enter the UPI PIN. You have to keep your phone locked at all times. Your phone is the gateway to your Google Pay account. Always use a screen lock like a PIN, pattern, or a fingerprint. If your phone is unlocked, anyone can try to access your apps. A locked phone adds an extra layer of safety. You have to turn on Google Pay app lock. Google Pay has its own app lock option. This means you must unlock the app every time before you using it. This protects your money even if someone else gets hold of your phone. You have to enable notifications for all transactions. Google Pay sends alerts for every payment, keeps notification on so you immediately know if any unexpected transaction happens. If you see something you did not do, you can react quickly. You never share OTP, UPI PIN, or card details. No one from Google Pay, your bank, or customer care will ever ask for your UPI PIN, OTP, CVV, ATM PIN, and card number. If someone asks for this, then it is a scam. Never share these details under any condition. You have to avoid clicking on unknown links. Scammers may send links claiming they will send you money or give rewards. Never open such links. Google Pay does not require any link to receive payments. You have to check the Google Pay settings regularly. Open the app and check which devices, bank accounts, and UPI IDs are linked. If you see anything unknown, remove it. This helps you to maintain control over your account. You have to keep your Google Pay app updated. New updates fix bugs and add new security features. Always use the latest version of Google Pay. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.